Xiaomi, a company that I'm starting to like. They make beautiful products. I have used Xiaomi products before and never been disappointed. Today we are taking a look to another AirPod alternative from Xiaomi with a very elegant design. So, are they any good alternative for AirPods? Welcome to the review of the Xiaomi Air 2 SE. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Thiago. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxing. And if it's something that interests you, please consider subscribing. Leave a thumbs up in this video and share this video with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the Xiaomi Air 2 SE. Before we starting, a disclaimer. This sample was sent by Bangot. Bangot has been running in China for more than 10 years, and they are committed to bring China high-quality goods to the world. Like always, my review will be based in my opinion, and no one will see this video before I upload it. Let's start the review. Xiaomi is one of my favorite brands when talking about minimal design function products that work and perform at same level that sometimes big brands don't even match. Xiaomi put a lot of effort to make these earbuds stand up. These earbuds have a selling price of £29.94, 22% off if you use my link. For our viewers in the US, the price is $38.99, is a 22% off as well. Links will be down below, and like always, they are affiliate links, and that will help the channel. Designing build. They come in a very typical Xiaomi box, and when taking them from the box, you can feel the case and see that very high quality is present. The case opens like a clamshell, and we can see the earbuds sitting there flat, and they are held by magnets. The case is very minimal, like the entire range of Xiaomi earphones. The case has a flat matte white finish and is very smooth to the touch. It will stay clean with no fingerprints when you use it. To the front of the case we have a very small LED indicator. On the back of the case, a USB-C charge port. On the bottom of the case is a very fade technical specs. Opening the case is very smooth and doesn't feel cheap at all. Taking them out of the case, we can see that they are on the large sides, in my opinion, with the part that goes inside of your ear almost identical to the AirPods. The big difference on the Xiaomi earbuds is the stem of the earbuds. The stem is quite big and large. They sit quite nice inside of the case and gives you the very nice classic look overall. The stem gives you the same finish of the case, but the ear tips are white gloss, similar to the AirPods. Overall, the earbuds will give you 5 hours of continuous playback time, and the case will charge the earbuds 4 times, giving you 20 hours playback time with the case. The earbuds and the case will take 1.5 hours to charge. Overall, the quality and design of the Xiaomi Air 2 SE is quite impressive. On the features department, Xiaomi never disappoints. And again, they have put great features on the small package like this one. The Air 2 is fitted with the latest 5.0 Bluetooth, which supports AAC and SBC audio codec, and this will give you a good connection and latency performance. Earbuds are rated IPS5 water resistant, and this will give you protection for workouts and if you get caught under the rain. Another great feature that Xiaomi earbuds have is a sensor who detects when the earbuds are removed from your ears and will pause the music straight away. This is a great feature to have, and many expensive earbuds don't have it. Connecting the Xiaomi Air 2 SE to the mobile phone is quite easy and simple. It's very similar to all the AirPods Alternative. All you need to do is open the case and you will see the earbuds starting to blink. The Mi Air 2 SE will appear on the phone screen. You only need to press it and they should connect straight away. And that's how you connect the Xiaomi Air 2 SE to the mobile phone, a very easy and simple process. Let's get into the most important part of these earbuds, the sound quality. The Xiaomi Air 2 SE have a very similar sound quality to the most AirPods style-like, with a flatter sound signature but great clarity. Because of the open style ear tips, the lack of bass reproduction, the large 14.2mm diaphragm will give these earbuds a great sound overhaul. For AirPods Alternative, the sound quality is very decent. In terms of call quality, the Xiaomi Air 2 SE have a very decent sound. They use ANC noise cancelling, using 2 separate microphones. Technology is very impressive, with a very good performance in real life. So let's have a look at the call quality of these earbuds. This is the sound inside of the house, guys, so let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is that good enough? It's loud enough? And after this we're gonna go do the outside one. So this is the outside test, guys. It's raining a bit, it's not wind, so let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is that sound good? Is it bad sound? Let me know. With the Xiaomi Air 2 SE, there is no issue when watching videos on Netflix or YouTube. However, when playing games, it's still not ideal, like the most of the earbuds today. So let's have a look at the latency when playing games. Talking about the controls now, it's a bit of disappointing that they don't let you control the sound. So the controls that they provide is a very basic and very minimal. Overall, the Xiaomi Air 2 SE is a decent pair of earbuds with a great execution, with the only downside being the lack of decent controls. That's all for this review. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and share this video all around. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Stay safe, you and your family, and I will see you on my next review. Bye!